Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Today's video is consistent of me detoxing my hair, providing a miracle to my hair, because y'all look. You see this build-up product, you see this dryness. Yes, baby, I need a detox. And this is what I'm going to be using today. The Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is what your girl needs. I've seen a lot of natural girls rave about this Indian clay mask. It says it gets rid of the buildup products. It helps to tame frizzy, dry hair. And you see this buildup product. Check. Frizzy, dry hair. Check. And if this can detox and clarify my hair and get my curls back popping, that's exactly what I need. I need this in my life today, not tomorrow, today, because I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks. That is not my normal thing to do. I just had a lot of things going on, and also too, I was lazy, so I didn't wash my hair, okay? So this is what I'm doing, and this is what I'm doing today, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to detangle my hair off camera because I can tell this is going to kind of take a while, so I'll be back with y'all. Y'all, like I said, I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so it's a lot of tangled hair. As you can see, do not wait 2 weeks to wash your hair because you have a lot of buildup product and tangles. Don't do it because you'll be in this position right now. Oh my God. Okay, so let's just dive right in. I'm gonna get started with mixing everything. So what I'm mixing is, of course, the Indian bentonite clay mask, apple cider vinegar, of course. You can use apple cider vinegar or water, but I heard that the benefits and the results are better with using the apple cider vinegar because along with the apple cider vinegar, it gets rid of the buildup product. The bentonite clay mask absorbs the buildup product, acts like a magnet, and gets rid of all of this. And that's what I need. And along with that, I'm going to be using my extra olive oil. That helps with dry scalp, as you can see. So I need all of those benefits. And also too, it says not to use a metal spoon or bowl because that acts as a negative charge and it basically does not act well. Blah, blah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
It basically absorbs all of the nutrients and benefits if you use a metal bowl or spoon, basically. So just use plastic. Anyways, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm not good with measurements and I'm not about to just do whatever. So I'm going to be using my measurement cup to add in. Ooh. Okay, so this is basically, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of this. So, 1. Jesus. I probably don't even need 1 cup. And then you add in your apple cider vinegar. You hear that? I heard that's a good thing, so don't get scared if you hear that. I feel like a chemist. Ooh. Obviously, I need more. What the hell? Okay guys, so like I said, use a plastic spoon, plastic bowl when mixing your clay mask because the clay mask will absorb the metal if you use metal and it would not be as effective. But don't get me lying to y'all. Y'all could Google it. I just don't remember everything. But basically on the label it says use plastic spoon, plastic bowl, and that's what I'm doing, reading the directions. But anywho, this is my mixture, my consistency of how I kind of want it. It looks a little thick, but boom. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see I have my towel on because I heard it gets a little messy. So I am prepared. So let's get started. All right. And make sure your hair is wet when you are doing this so that the mask can penetrate throughout your whole head. This side of my hair, and these are my curls so far. I'm like, okay, I see it doing a little something. At first I was a little scared because I'm like, I don't remember watching other girls' videos and their hair was this white, but I'm pretty sure the lighting is a little different from certain people's videos, so I'm like, maybe it's just me and I'm just being paranoid. But yeah, this is my hair so far. So let's continue. So I thought the clay mask was drying very quickly in my hair and leaving it feeling a tiny bit hard. So I kept wondering, why is it drying so quickly? Maybe I did something wrong. Then I realized my hair wasn't fully wet, guys. I guess I didn't spray as much water as I thought I did. So basically your hair has to be fully soaked with water when applying this mask so it doesn't dry so quickly. I knew this, guys. I just thought my hair was wet enough. I don't know, whatever. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just finished applying the bentonite clay mask in my hair, so peep the curls. You know, it's doing a little healing to my hair, you know, observing all that buildup product. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first because I was like, why is my hair so white? I was watching a few YouTube videos and I didn't see that their hair was as white as mine. But then I realized that my hair had to be fully drenched with water before applying the mask. But it's okay. It's still doing its thing. I'm not mad at it. Also, too, I was going to make a whole new mixture and apply it to my face, but I noticed how hard it was to get off my forehead, and my face is very sensitive. Peep the bump. So I wasn't, you know, I'm just going to say that for another day. I'm just not going to do that today. I'm just going to stick to my hair for now. So I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for probably like 25 minutes, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I have washed out majority of that bentonite clay mask out of my hair. It was not as hard as I thought it would be, but at the top of my hair there was a little of the mask left over, so I washed my hair with my co-wash and conditioner, and these are my final results after my full wash. I love the results. It gave my curls a bounce back that it needed. But I hope you guys do like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.